In the world of medical technology, financial leadership is every bit as crucial as scientific innovation. Behind every breakthrough device or life-changing therapy, there's a team ensuring the company's financial health and long-term vision. At XAIR, Doug Larson served as Chief Financial Officer, managing the company's finances and guiding its growth through both opportunity and challenge. His role was pivotal in shaping the company's financial direction and supporting its mission to bring innovative therapies to patients. The CFO's responsibilities go far beyond simply crunching numbers. Larson was a key architect of XAIR's financial strategy, helping to secure funding, allocate resources, and plan for sustainable expansion. He worked closely with the executive team, ensuring the company had the resources to fund research, navigate regulatory hurdles, and bring new products to market. His collaboration with scientists and business leaders alike was essential to the company's progress. Larson's expertise reassured investors, translating complex science into clear, actionable financial plans. He was often the bridge between the technical teams and the financial community, making sure everyone understood the company's goals and needs. His leadership provided stability and strategic foresight, especially during critical phases of development, such as product launches or funding rounds. Larson's steady hand helped the company weather uncertainty and stay focused on its objectives. As the financial face of XAIR, Larson answered tough questions about cash flow, revenue, and profitability, both internally and in public forums. His transparency built trust with stakeholders. His departure signals more than just a personnel change. It marks a shift in the leadership that helped shape the company's trajectory and culture. The absence of his guidance will be felt across the organization. For investors and employees, understanding Larson's role highlights why his exit is significant. It raises questions about the company's future direction and how it will maintain momentum. His financial stewardship was a cornerstone of XAIR's progress, providing the foundation for innovation and growth. Appreciating his impact sets the stage for understanding what comes next, as XAIR navigates a new chapter in its journey. Doug Larson's resignation as CFO surprised many in the medical device industry. The company's official statement said he's leaving to pursue another opportunity, a standard phrase that keeps details private and signals an amicable split. This could mean a new role with greater responsibility, a move to a different industry, or even a shift to consulting or entrepreneurship. Sometimes, it's simply about seeking a new challenge or a better fit for personal goals. The key point: the departure is mutual, not the result of conflict or poor performance. For XAIR, the focus now shifts to managing the transition, not speculating on Larson's next move. The announcement marks the end of an era for the company's financial leadership. Investors and employees will naturally wonder about the timing and impact. The company's priority is to ensure a smooth transition and maintain confidence in its financial direction. Executive departures can be disruptive, often creating uncertainty and concern among employees, investors, and partners alike. But XAIR and Doug Larson have anticipated these challenges and put together a comprehensive plan to ensure a smooth transition. Larson will remain CFO until December 5, 2025, providing continuity and stability through critical year-end financial activities and the completion of ongoing projects. This approach prevents chaos, keeps the finance department running smoothly, and ensures that no important tasks fall through the cracks during the transition period. After stepping down from his CFO role, Larson will continue to serve as an advisor through the end of 2025, offering guidance and support to the new leadership team. This advisory role allows the company to tap into his deep institutional knowledge, providing a valuable safety net for the incoming CFO and ensuring a steady hand during the transition. Such a phased exit demonstrates not only professionalism, but also a strong commitment to the company's ongoing success and stability. Investors and analysts appreciate this orderly plan. It signals proactive leadership, minimizes disruption, and helps maintain confidence in the company's future. Larson's continued involvement reassures stakeholders that critical knowledge and expertise won't be lost, and that the company's strategic direction will remain on track. The transition plan allows XAIR to stay focused on its mission, without being sidetracked by leadership changes or operational uncertainty. It's a textbook example of how to manage high-level turnover, balancing continuity with the need for fresh leadership and new ideas. The company's leadership is clearly thinking ahead, planning for both immediate needs and long-term growth. This careful, well-structured handover sets the stage for a seamless change, ensuring Beyond Air remains strong and resilient for the future. With Larson's exit, Beyond Air quickly appointed Duke Drewell as interim CFO, signaling a swift and decisive response to the leadership change. Drewell, who previously served as Vice President of Finance, brings a deep understanding of the company's operations, its dedicated team, and the strategic goals that drive Beyond Air forward. Promoting from within means there's no steep learning curve. Drewell is already familiar with ongoing projects, the company's unique culture, and the challenges the team faces every day. This internal move ensures continuity and stability during the transition, allowing the company to maintain momentum without missing a beat. Drewell's extensive experience in financial planning and analysis, as well as his proven track record in managing complex budgets, makes him a strong and reliable choice for the interim role. The finance team and company leadership already trust him, which helps minimize disruption and keeps everyone focused on their objectives. Drewell's familiarity with the company's financial systems and his established relationships across departments mean he can hit the ground running from day one. As interim CFO, Drewell will take on all the responsibilities of the role, ensuring that critical financial decisions and day-to-day operations continue smoothly while the search for a permanent leader is underway. The interim title gives both Drewell and the company valuable flexibility, allowing them to adapt as needed during this period of transition. This is also an opportunity for Drewell to demonstrate his leadership in the top job, and if he excels, he may be considered for the permanent position. Meanwhile, Beyond Air can take the necessary time to conduct a thorough search and find the best long-term fit for the CFO position without rushing the process. This approach keeps the financial ship steady, ensuring that the company's resources are managed responsibly and with care. The company remains focused on its goals, continuing to drive innovation and growth even during this period of change. Stakeholders, employees, and partners can be confident in the leadership team's ability to guide Beyond Air through this transition and into the future. While Drewell provides stability, Beyond Air's board is already searching for a permanent CFO. This process is deliberate. Finding the right leader can't be rushed. The company will likely use an executive search firm to identify candidates with the right skills and industry experience. The ideal CFO will have a background in medical devices or pharmaceuticals, public company finance, and a track record of managing growth. The search involves multiple interviews and careful vetting to ensure a strong fit with Beyond Air's culture and vision. Candidates will meet with the CEO, board, and key executives to assess mutual compatibility. The new CFO must be ready to guide the company through commercialization and scaling operations. This is a pivotal hire. The right person will shape Beyond Air's financial future. The search will be thorough because the stakes are high. The next CFO will play a central role in the company's next chapter. Change is constant in business, but how it's managed makes all the difference. A smooth executive transition provides stability for employees and confidence for investors. The CFO is a critical gear in the company machine. Removing it abruptly can cause chaos. By keeping Larson on, appointing an interim CFO, and launching a formal search, Beyond Air is minimizing uncertainty. This transparency reassures Wall Street and helps stabilize the company's market standing. Retaining Larson as an advisor preserves valuable institutional knowledge. He can transfer insights and context to his successor, speeding up the learning curve. A professional transition protects the company's momentum and assets. It shows the board is proactive and in control. The process ensures continuity in financial operations and strategic planning. Beyond Air's approach is a model for managing leadership change. To understand the impact of this leadership change, it's important to know what Beyond Air does. Beyond Air is a commercial-stage medical device and biopharma company focused on nitric oxide therapies. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, making it vital for treating lung conditions. The company's flagship product, LungFit PH, delivers nitric oxide to newborns with life-threatening pulmonary hypertension. This technology represents a major advance in neonatal care. Beyond Air is also researching nitric oxide for other respiratory diseases, including viral pneumonia and chronic lung infections. These new uses could open large markets for the company. Bringing these therapies to patients requires significant investment in research, trials, and commercialization. That's why strong financial leadership is essential. The CFO's role is to secure funding and translate scientific promise into a sustainable business. The stakes are high, and the right financial strategy is critical to success. A CFO's departure creates ripples throughout the organization. The finance team must adjust to new leadership styles and expectations. A new CFO may bring different philosophies on risk, investment, and growth. These shifts can influence which projects get funded and the company's overall direction. Externally, the new CFO must build credibility with investors and analysts, shaping market perception. Early interactions with the financial community can impact stock price and fundraising ability. Change isn't always negative. A new leader can bring fresh ideas and energy. They might spot inefficiencies or open doors to new partnerships and funding. The transition period is a chance for renewal and improvement. The key is to manage challenges while leveraging new opportunities. Beyond XAIR's careful planning positions it to benefit from this change. Despite the leadership change, Beyond XAIR's core mission remains the same. The company's future depends on its science, technology, and execution. Larson's departure is significant, but the transition plan shows Beyond XAIR is prepared. The search for a new CFO will be closely watched as a sign of the company's prospects. The new financial leader will guide the next phase of commercialization and growth. In the short term, plans remain on track under interim leadership. Over time, the new CFO's approach will shape Beyond XAIR's path to profitability. With a strong foundation and clear vision, the company is poised for continued success.